Hi, Kerry here. Wanted to invite you to a Christmas party. Yep, Best of Us Investors is having a Christmas party, and we're going to have it here in our living room. And you're invited, and I invite you to bring your family along with you and your friends and enjoy our Christmas party. We're going to have some champagne and some hors d'oeuvres. I'm sorry, since this is a virtual party, I can't reach that far with a wine glass, so well, you'll have to bring your own.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.
But what I want to do is, first of all, thank you. And thank all of you for your support. It's been right at a year that my YouTube channel, Best of Us Investors, has been up. And the support has been overwhelming. And I want you to recognize that you have brought me more value than I have brought you. You've given me and my life a purpose, and I want to share the best of it with you. We're going to have a little competition. I want to give away some of our Best of Us t-shirts and hats. And the best I could come up with is that I want you to go to our Discord, and I want you to take a picture of your ugliest Christmas sweater. And to the ugliest Christmas sweaters, we're going to award some prizes. The other prize I want to award is part of our Christmas tradition. You'll notice in each one of the socks there is a spool that I carved probably now about 24 years ago when my children were in their teens, and Nita was spending something in the neighborhood of 6 weeks preparing for Christmas, and Christmas morning would end in 15 minutes. So what I did was carve these spools and put roughly I think it's about 70 yards of yarn on it. Then Christmas evening or Christmas Eve, we hid their special gift somewhere in the house, and then wound this yarn back through the house, inside, outside, whatever, and back in their sock was the empty spool. So they came down Christmas morning. The first thing they did was search to find their special gift that Santa and the elves left. Well, several years after that, my daughter, Shannon, who actually passed away on December the 26th, at 2014, suggested I write a children's book that tells the story of our Christmas tradition in the light of Elf on the Shelf, actually. And so this Christmas book that is part of the kit here explains that Samuel was having a tough time making all his rounds, and he needed the help of some elves. So they designed him a new sleigh that had GPS, and then 3 of the elves traveled with him to distribute the gifts. It's a cute story for kids, and it's a Christmas tradition that we had for years, and I want to give some of these away. So when you put your ugly sweater into the Discord, go into where it says non-trading chat, put your picture, and then put what you would like. Would you want one of the Christmas web? Would you want one of the t-shirts? Or would you want one of the caps? And we will choose the ugliest sweaters and see how many of them we have. And if we have enough, we'll make them available. The other thing I wanted to do at the Christmas party was give you some explanation as to what I see happening in the stock market in the coming year. And I want to put forth my goals. You've already heard of my $24 million 10-year goal that I raised through biotech stocks so that I can leave my family something other than the Christmas web and some t-shirts. I want to leave them $24 million to my children and grandchildren so that I can make a difference in their life. I think that is one of the reasons God put me here on this earth, is to make a difference while I'm here. And to that end, I want to first of all make a difference to my family, and secondly, I want to make a difference in your life, and that is the purpose of this YouTube channel. Remember, our goals are to make good, sound investment decisions, to keep more of what we make by learning the tax code, and to leave behind some wealth. And our goal is 24 million until Congress raises the unified credit a little bit higher, and we'll have to move our goal up along with it. But that's what I want to do, and that's what I want to give back to you. So come to our Christmas party. We're going to do it on a YouTube live screen. As I said, it's going to be the 22nd at 1 p.m. I sent out an email this morning, well actually it would be Saturday morning, that had a link to it. I will send another email if you're on my email list. If you're not on my email list, get on it now, and you'll go to Best of Us Investors, leave me your email address and your name, and on the 22nd in the morning, I will send you the active link that will let you into the live stream. And then I'm also going to send you a link to the Discord, so you know where to post your entry into the ugly Christmas sweater contest. So that's our Christmas party. I hope you have, I know it's going to be difficult to go to Christmas parties this year because of the coronavirus situation, but at least you know you're invited to one. We will record it because I know my channel goes out around the world, so time differences are different. I don't want you to have to wait up till 1 o'clock in the morning to see the live stream. It will be recorded and you'll be able to join us. So if I don't see you and you aren't able to make the party, you have a Merry Christmas and you have a wonderful New Year. I think it's going to be a wonderful New Year for investors, and I'll share my opinions on that at the Christmas party, and we'll have a wonderful time. Again, thank you for the joy that you have brought into me and Nita's life. And yeah, Nita will be at the party, at least for the beginning, as we discuss our Christmas traditions and get a little bit better acquainted. I guess that's part of what this is all about. Get to know each other better. So come, and I'll see you at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time in the U.S. For the Best of Us Investors Christmas party.